Pag New Year, di ba naghihintay tayo ng 12 bago natin kainin yung food? Yung sa amin, meron ng ulam na pwede na agad kainin. Ito madali lang pero napakasarap. It's another recipe that you shouldn't miss. This is special spare ribs galing sa palengke. Lagyan nyo ng toyo. Then equal part ng banana ketchup. Around 7 pieces ng kalamansi. Yan magpapasarap dyan. And ground black pepper. Haluing mabuti and set aside. Marinate muna natin yan while ginagawa yung mga panggisa. Ganto. Mga 30 minutes pwede na. As always, we will need half kilo ng tomatoes. Iko-quarter ko muna to kasi pipinuhin ko yan mamaya. Sa food processor kasama ng maraming onions. Around 4 medium-sized pieces. Rough chop ko na kasi lalagay rin natin yan sa food processor. Then of course, we will also need bawang. Around 7 pieces, food processor nyo or pinuhin nyo. Using coconut oil, gisa na natin. Pag isang-gisa na siya, lagay nyo na yung spare ribs. Mix nyo lang mabuti, then add your water. Cover and simmer until tender on a medium heat. Malambot na, lagay mo na yung liver spread. Pampalapot at ang sekreto, buttered toast. Nabibili lang sa tindahan, durugin nyo, tapos ihalo nyo dyan. Cover and simmer. And this is also the time to adjust the taste based on your liking. Lambot na nito, and thick sauce. Walang masyadong taba, kaya busan natin ng coconut oil. My famous cooking hack. Pag ayaw nyo gawin yan, wag nyo gawin. Pero syempre, mas maganda akong gagawin. And that's it, nakagawa ka na ng napakasarap na spare ribs mechado.